Let's create one more tutorial in CATIA V5. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the shaft to create this part. So open the CATIA V5 and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this profile. We will put the dimensions later, okay? So go to sketch and select the right plane and select the profile and click here on the midpoint, make this sketch here. Okay, and now go to constraints, so put the dimensions here. Let me see here, this line here has 50 millimeters, this line here has 8 millimeters, and the distance between this line and this one is 20 millimeters. So we have 50 millimeters here, 8 millimeters here, and the distance between this line and this one is 20 millimeters. And the angle between these two lines is 60 degrees and the angle here is 45 degrees. So select this line and this one, and select this line and this one, the angle here 45 degrees and here 60 degrees. And it's missing one dimension, the distance between this line here and the center line, it is 15 millimeters. So select this line and this one, 15 millimeters here. So that's it. Now leave the sketch, and to make this we will use the shaft. It is similar to revolve features in the other CAD, and here the angle will be 270 degrees because we have this 90 degrees here. Okay, we will revolve this only to this angle, and here the axis, select the center line here. We will put the minus here just to, or select here reverse direction, and preview here, press OK. We made this. So we will finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.